from Tensens, and I'd like to welcome you to our showroom on the Sunshine Coast. Tensens supplies a range of industries from hotels and resorts, hospitality, healthcare, education, contract cleaners and carpet cleaners. I just want to spend a few minutes and run through our showroom, just the different areas. We've got your janitorial products, so we've got all your window cleaning gear from your telescopic poles, T-bars, washers, buckets. We've always got some great specials, so we've got mop buckets. We've got all your different mop heads, including your microfiber flat mop system. We've got all your aluminium handles, your cobwebbers, your dusting brushes, huge range of bins and sanitary bins, and also your dustpan brushes, floor squeegees, brooms and electrostatic mops. We've also got a complete range of all your triggers and bottles, and these include all the different colour coding and specialty systems. We've also got a full range of all your microfiber gear. So all your microfiber cloths in the different colours. We've got your scourers, your chaps type wipes, we've got your safety gear and your gloves and hand hygiene. We've also got a huge range of chemicals which cover all the different industries. Just come back over here. We've got your washroom consumables, so a complete range of all your toilet paper and hand towel, including 400 sheet jumbo rolls, and a complete range of your garbage bags, from your 18 litre right up to your 240 litre wheelie bin. We've got Purell and Gojo hand hygiene systems. We can customise the system to suit your needs if you come and visit us. We've also got a huge range of all your cleaning equipment. So we've got your pressure blasters, carpet extractors, car park sweepers, floor scrubbers, battery floor scrubbers, truck mount carpet cleaning machines. We've also got a complete range of all your vacuum cleaners, from your vacuum canister types, including your backpacks, and a complete range of all your spare parts. We've also got technicians that can assist you to get back on the road quickly. Lastly, we've got carpet cleaning gear, so we've got all your upholstery tools, wands, restoration gear, your carpet spotters, your bottles, your accessories, hoses, all your different sponge mops and more. So I'm Marsha from Tensens. Thanks for your time. I appreciate your business, and I hope to see you on the Sunshine Coast soon, or you can buy online. Thank you and have a great day.